Today I'd like to introduce you to a new machine that we've installed here into the clinic. It's a skin analyzer. We've introduced this here at Clinic M for our skin consultations. What the skin analyzer does is it runs through a report through the different layers of your skin, and it can show up any of the areas of concern on some areas that you maybe aren't aware of as well. So it shows a lot of problematic areas of the skin. For example, some of the things that we can run through on the machine is inflammation, sensitivity, UVA and UVB damage and pigmentation, spots, pores, oil production. It really runs through everything. It can also give you an idea of how your skin will age and at what stage your skin is at now. The benefit of us having this machine is to enable us to give you the best out of your consultation. So when we generate a report from after you've been in the skin analyzer, we can then work out a treatment plan for you based on the report that we've got from the skin analyzer. That report can also be sent back to you and you can have a copy of it. The beauty of this is that we've got a baseline that you can use as a comparison, so you can see how well your treatment has worked here if we do a before and after using the skin analyzer. So whether or not you're having a laser treatment, a microneedling treatment, fillers, or any of the treatments that we provide here, you will be able to see the benefits of that treatment by using the skin analyzer. To give you a little example of what the skin analyzer can do, we've used our member of staff here and have her consent to use this photographs. This is a baseline without any imagery at all. On the second image here, it shows you all the sensitivity. This is where there's some inflammation on the face. You can see that markers there, and also the redness due to the vessels of the face. This will show you, and also a heat map. Spots, this is the areas where generally spots would occur. It's all quite hormonal ages here. This shows you the aging process of the face and where pigmentation is likely to be. Wrinkles, this will also give us an indication of where you're likely to age and where the wrinkles will appear as you age. Pores, this shows you all the open pores and mainly a lot of the oil production of the face. So this is a really helpful tool when somebody comes in and they have, concerns of oil production and open pores and things. And this is a really good example of how a treatment will be successful for a patient as we go by this baseline, and whether we use laser or product to try and improve the condition of the pores. We can then do, after about a month or 6 weeks, recap and see where we are and just how well the treatments have been working. Again, here we've got some of the UV spots, the UV damage, the sunlight, exposure to the sun. I'm just splitting the face in half here, and there you can see all the damage. Again, these are under all the dermis layers of the skin, so this is really going quite deep, and you can really see where all the damage is. You don't generally see this on the face to the naked eye. Obviously this report has gone quite deep into the dermis layers of the tissue. Here we have all the oil production, so going back to where we had all the open pores, similar again. And on the bottom here, this can tell us where we're likely to have some problems in the future.